Good day, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at differential calculus on a grade 12 level. We'll be exploring various sections in this topic. Firstly, we'll look at derivatives from first principles. Then we'll look at short differentiation, application calculus, and lastly, we'll be looking at the cubic function. Now, before we get into derivatives from first principles, let's explore some basic concepts in calculus. Differential calculus is the branch of calculus that deals with rate of change of a function at any point. Another basic concept is average gradient. The average gradient is the rate of change between any 2 points, usually on a function. The average gradient is calculated the same as normal gradient in algebra. So there's no new concept there. Next, we look at limits. Limits are concepts that use approximations of increasing accuracy to find an answer. Let's look at an example. The example reads, the limit as x tends to 1 of x squared plus x minus 2 all over x minus 1. Now, if we take the 1 and we substitute it in for x, we'll see that the denominator becomes undefined. Hence, we first need to do some simplification so that when we substitute x in, our answer is a defined answer. So let's do some factorization and see if we can simplify this any further. This basically becomes the limit as x tends to 1. Notice we keep on writing limit as x tends to whatever number until we substitute the value in. Once we substitute the value in, the limit gets removed from the step. So if we factorize the numerator, we see that it's a trinomial, and that just simplifies to x minus 1, x plus 2. And that's all divided by x minus 1. Now we see that there's a common factor on the top and the bottom, which is x minus 1, hence we can cancel it out. And in the next step, we have the limit as x tends to 1 of x plus 2. Now when we substitute x equals to 1 into the equation, we can remove the limit, as we'll do in the next step. So in place of x, we're going to substitute 1, and we're left with a plus 2. And that limit is just 3. So this is just, the concept of limits is a basic concept that's required in order to understand derivatives from first principles. Please tune in to the next episode where we'll look at derivatives from first principles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.